Hello and welcome to another one of our new videos in a series of a product a year plus on and how it's held up with a lot of use. So today we're looking at the Bernzomatic torch. We have done an unboxing and a video of this, but this is the torch a year plus on. It's had plenty of use in a couple of houses. So if you think about buying one of these,
this was what, about 60 quid, wasn't it?
Probably a little bit more than that. Yeah.
But I'll tell you now.
It's one of the better ones.
This is a year on. It's had loads of use.
It's been bashed.
Dropped.
It's been dropped. It's been left in boxes.
And you can see it's off.
You can see the Mapp gas cartridges.
It's had loads of use, and here we are a year on. Oops, it's got a lock.
The locking button still works.
Yeah.
It's not bust. It's not brittle. It's not anything like that. Yeah, fires up straight
away. Is that
away.
worth the money? Absolutely.
Yeah.
I tell you what, even if you do the occasional bit of plumbing, but you love your barbecues, that's the one for you. Not recommended.
Yeah, don't light your cigarettes, because if you did, half the cigarette would be gone by the time you take
the be gone. But
puff on it.
It's an excellent product. To be honest, it hasn't had any real maintenance.
We've done nothing to it, have we?
We just used it. Performance, 100%. You just can't knock it. The trouble this has got is ours. We've used it for plumbing. We've used it for lighting fires.
Mainly for lighting fires recently.
Not that they're arsonists, because we're not.
Just lighting like bits of paper.
We've used it when we need to get bolts undone. That's been absolutely
yes, on vehicles. It's really good for vehicles. Yeah.
This will get you out of a lot of trouble.
Yeah.
So if you're doing some plumbing around your house and you're fairly competent, it's not a bad buy for your toolbox. Ideal Christmas present, to be honest. So a year on, first class. If this got pinched, I'd buy another one, same brand.
So if you're thinking about buying one of these, then they're worth the money and they do last. They are a robust, reliable tool.
I mean, some people, I would always go off the sidetrack a little bit, but they do use them for cooking and stuff. I've seen them being used just for glazing and stuff like that. So even if you don't use it for your plumbing, you might want to use it for cooking. So
it's a bit over the top for cooking, but
you've got a multi-tool.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You can use it for a lot of things.
Kitchen, but just be careful with it with kids and things. And the little feature there is that lock is.
Let's have a close-up look. So nothing's cracked, nothing's gone brittle. Bit of dust, because that's where we left it. It's just all in really good working order. And even the label.
Even the label is top quality.
The label is still readable.
Yeah.
This has been chucked in boxes, left.
Not deliberately.
You know, you just normal DIY use sort of thing.
We don't get reported to DIY helpline or anything. You know, we have looked sort
of. The thread on the bottom of the things lasted. Yeah.
Been a good tool, isn't it? Really good tool. So yeah, a year on, and like I say, if we've helped you on a little bit, why not help us a little bit by subscribing? Thank you.